What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we are here with the SI. We're at Curio Garage in Fairfax, Virginia, and we're actually here just getting the fenders rolled in the rear for the SI. For those of you that have been following the channel for a little bit, you know that I've been wanting to get the rear fenders rolled just to have the fender sit perfectly with the lip of the wheels. So we're just going to do a slight fender roll so that we can get that perfect fitment. And also I want to be able to go ahead and ride a little bit lower. I want to have the ride height be a little bit lower, that way the car doesn't look that much of a monster truck when we're driving down the road. I'm going to go ahead and put Curio Garage down in the description below. Go ahead and check them out. And one thing that I wanted to show you guys is the crazy Honda Civic that Nathaniel here owns. This thing is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Shaved engine bay, carbon fiber fenders, lip. It's got the nice bride seats inside. This thing is sick. I've really been wanting to get like an old school Civic like this and do a build like this with a nice clean engine bay, nice meaty setup. He's got some nice RPF ones and they have a nice interior. I think this looks really good, especially in hatchback. It's really nice. Alright, you guys, it is the next day. I did want to go ahead and wait until today to go ahead and begin the video again, just so there was some light outside and I can give you guys a quick walk around of the SI. So it did take a little bit, about over 2 hours to get the rear fenders rolled, which is a little bit longer than normal, but is completely okay with me because he did a very good job. He took his time, he was very careful, and there was no paint cracking or anything like that, which when I got my fronts rolled, there was some paint cracking, so I definitely didn't want that to happen again for the rear. And he definitely took care of the rear fenders very well. No paint cracking, no damage or anything at all. And it still looks all OEM. It doesn't look like they're pulled or rolled or anything like that, which is exactly what I wanted. I just wanted a small roll. That way when I air out, the fender isn't squeezing the tire down, which before when I would air out, you could actually hear the tire begin to get squeezed down. So that doesn't happen anymore. And this is actually my current ride height. So as you can see, it's a little high in the rear. So now I'll be able to go ahead and lower it a little bit more so it looks a little bit better and not as high when I'm driving it. And I don't have to worry about the tire rubbing in the back or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and air it out so you guys can go ahead and take a look. We've got the Bluetooth set up on my phone right now. So as you can see right there, aired out very nicely. My fender always sits right here on this part of the tire, but to be honest, whenever I wash the car and I put tire shine on the tires, it actually slips right in and it sits perfectly on the lip of the wheel, so the fitment is absolutely perfect. I just need to add a little bit of camber in the front and the car will be perfect fitment. But other than that, just wanted to show you guys how everything came out. He only charged me 80 bucks. That's what he charges for the rear. He charges 140 for all 4 fenders. Go ahead and check him out. I'm gonna put his Instagram in the description below. I definitely recommend going to him because he's gonna do a great job. Take care of your car. No paint cracking or anything like that. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. We are almost at 2,000 subs, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.